Now this is a TYBSc linear algebra lecture. Now we are here. It is a continuation of our lecture of eigenvalues and eigenvector of a matrix. We know that if A is an n by n real matrix, then the real number lambda belong to R is said to be an eigenvalue of A if there exists a non-zero vector V belong to Rn such that AV is equal to lambda V. V is called as the eigenvector corresponding to the eigenvalue lambda. All this we know all this. Now let us solve some example of finding the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of a matrix. Let let matrix A is equal to 3 0 0 1 2 0 3 1 5. See here, let the matrix A is equal to 3 0 0 1 2 0 3 1 5. Such type of matrices are called as lower triangular matrices because all the entries above the diagonal are equal to 0, 3 to 5. These element constitute the main diagonal and all the elements above the main diagonal are 0. Such matrices are called as lower triangular matrices. Let us see how the eigenvalues of lower triangular matrices are related to the given matrix. Now here, let now the characteristic polynomial of the matrix A. Now we know what is the characteristic polynomial of the matrix A. Now let us write the characteristic equation of the matrix A. The characteristic equation of the matrix A. Characteristic equation of A is equal to a determinant of lambda I minus A is equal to 0. Determinant of lambda I minus A is equal to 0. At left hand side we have a monic polynomial of degree 3, and that polynomial is when equated with 0, then the resulting equation is called as the characteristic equation of the matrix A. Now therefore this is equal to determinant of lambda minus 3 0 0 minus 1 lambda minus 2 0 minus 3 minus 1 lambda minus 5 is equal to 0. Now see here, lambda minus 3 0 0 minus 1 lambda minus 2 0 minus 3 minus 1 lambda minus 5. Okay, this is the characteristic equation. Now in this is in the determinant form. Let us expand this 3 by 3 determinant. Now this is equal, therefore let us on expanding we get lambda minus 3 into lambda minus 2 into lambda minus 5 minus 0 minus zeros. Thus here how to expand the determinant. Here we consider the first entry in the element of the first row and first column. That element by the multiplied by the minor of it. Minor of it means the determinant obtained by deleting that row and column containing the element in the first row and first column. Now the resulting determinant is of order 2 by 2 and it is equal to lambda minus 2 0 minus 1 lambda minus 5. If we find the value of this determinant, then it is equal to lambda minus 2 into lambda minus 5. Now here entry is 0 and therefore here is 0, therefore the resulting terms are 0. Now this is the characteristic equation of the matrix A. Now see here, therefore lambda is equal to 3 2, 5 are eigenvalues of the matrix A. Are eigenvalues are eigenvalues of the matrix A, See here, if some matrix is lower triangular matrix, then its eigenvalues are its diagonal entries. If a matrix is a lower triangular matrix, then the determinant of that matrix is equal to product of the diagonal elements, and therefore the resulting situation is that the eigenvalues of such matrices are exactly the diagonal elements of that matrix. Therefore here main diagonal entries are 3 to 5. Therefore the eigenvalue of the matrix A are 3 to 5. Now here let us find the eigenvector corresponding to eigenvalue 3 to 5. Let P is equal to x comma y comma z be the eigenvector, be an eigenvector corresponding to eigenvalue 3, corresponding to eigenvalue lambda is equal to 3, corresponding to eigenvalue lambda is equal to 3, eigenvalue lambda is equal to 3. Now let us find the eigenvector corresponding to the eigenvalue of 3. Now here let that vector v be x comma y comma z. Therefore AV is equal to 3 times phi. AV is equal to 3 times phi. Therefore the matrix A is a 3 0 0 1 2 0 3 1 5 x into column matrix x y z is equal to column matrix 3x 3y 3z 3x 3y 3z. Now here therefore on simplifying we get the first this is a 3 by 3 matrix and this is a 3 by 1 matrix. Therefore the resulting matrix is 3 by 1. Therefore it is a column matrix which is equal to 3x plus 0y plus 0z 3x, then x plus 2y. The second row is x plus 2y, then 3x plus y plus 5z, 3x plus y plus 5z is equal to 3x column matrix 3x 3y 3z. Now here therefore we get 3x is equal to 3x, which is in correct agreement. Now x plus 2y is equal to 3y, x plus 2y is equal to 3y. Therefore y is equal to x, x plus 2y is equal to 3y. Therefore y is equal to x. Now 3x plus y plus 5z is equal to 3z. Here we can express z in terms of x. 3x, y is equal to x plus 5z is equal to minus 2z. Therefore z is equal to minus 4a minus 2x. Z is equal to minus 2x. Z is equal to minus 2x. Therefore the eigenvalues corresponding to eigenvalue lambda is equal to 3. Therefore the eigenvalues corresponding to eigenvalue lambda is equal to 3 are therefore the eigenvectors the eigenvectors the eigenvectors the eigenvectors the eigenvectors corresponding to corresponding to eigenvalue lambda is equal to 3 are of the type x comma x comma minus 2x. That is, these are of the type x 1 comma 1 comma minus 2. Put x is equal to 1. Therefore we get 1 comma 1 comma minus 2 as an eigenvalue corresponding to 1 comma 1 comma minus 2 is an eigenvector corresponding to eigenvalue lambda is equal to 3. Now see here, now let us find the eigenvector corresponding to eigenvalue lambda is equal to 2. Now we find the eigenvector of the matrix A. We find the eigenvector. We find eigenvectors corresponding to lambda is equal to 2. Let v is equal to x comma y comma z be the required eigenvector. Required eigenvector. Therefore A into V is equal to 2V. AV is equal to 2V. Therefore A is the matrix 3 0 0 1 2 0 3 1 5. 3 0 0 3 0 0 1 2 0 3 1 5. 3 1 5. X Y Z is equal to 2x 2y 2z is equal to 2x 2y 2z is equal to 2x 2y 2z. Here therefore on simplifying we get 3x then x plus 2y x plus 2y, then 3x plus 2y plus 5z is equal to 2x, 2y, 2z. Therefore 3x is equal to 2x, implies x is equal to 0, implies x is equal to 0, 3x is equal to x implies x is equal to 0, x plus 2y is equal to 2y. Therefore 0 plus 2y is equal to 2y, 2y is equal to 2y. Now see here 3x plus 2y plus 5z is equal to 2z. See here 3x plus 2y plus 5z is equal to 2z. Therefore 3x is equal to 0. Therefore 0 plus 2y. Therefore minus 3z is equal to 2y. Therefore z is equal to minus 2 by 3y. Minus 2 by 3y. Therefore in this case the eigenvectors are of the type, P's are of the type x is equal to 0, y minus 2 by 3y, minus 2 by 3y. In this case eigenvectors are of the type 0, y, minus 2 by 3y. Put y is equal to 1, then we get the resulting eigenvector 0, 1, minus 2 by 3. Here similarly you can find the eigenvector corresponding to eigenvalue lambda is equal to 5. Now let us find the eigenvector. Now let us find the eigenvectors. Corresponding to eigenvalue lambda is equal to 5. Here we get 3 300 120 315 XYZ is equal to 5x, 5y, 5z. Therefore 3x is equal to 5x, implies x is equal to 0. 3x is equal to 5x implies x is equal to 0. Then x plus 2y is equal to 5y. x plus 2y is equal to 5y implies y is equal to 0 because x is equal to 0. Therefore 3y is equal to 0. Therefore y is equal to 0 implies y is equal to 0. And 3x plus y plus 5z, 3x plus y plus 5z is equal to 5z is equal to 5z. Now x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, and therefore here 3x is equal to 5x, x plus 2y is equal to 5y implies y is equal to 0. Now here 3x plus y plus 5z, 3x plus y plus 5z is equal to 5z. Therefore the eigenvalues are of the types, the eigenvectors, not eigenvalues, the eigenvectors are of the type 0, 0, z. Eigenvectors are of, that is z into 0, 0, 1. These are the types of the eigenvector. When z is equal to 1, we get 0, 0, 1 as the eigenvector corresponding to eigenvalue lambda is equal to 5. Now let a is equal to 0, 1, minus 1, 0. 0, 1, minus 1, 0. Let the matrix A is equal to 0, 1, minus 1 is equal to 0. The characteristic polynomial of the matrix A, the characteristic equation of the matrix A, the characteristic equation of the matrix A, the characteristic equation of the matrix A, characteristic equation of A is equal to determinant of lambda minus 0 minus 1 lambda minus 0 is equal to lambda square plus 1. Therefore the characteristic equation is lambda square plus 1 is equal to 0. Now these equations do not have real roots. These equations do not have real roots. Lambda square plus lambda is equal to 0, and therefore this equation do not have real roots, and therefore this matrix do not have real characteristic value. This matrix A do not have real characteristic value. Therefore it is always not necessary that real n by n matrix have real eigen values. Here if then matrix A has eigenvalues but those are imaginary numbers, and therefore matrix A do not have real eigenvalues. Now next example, let B is equal to 3, 1, 5, 0, 1, 7, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1. Let the matrix B is equal to 3, 1, 5. बंद करा.